kakaibang bahay dito. Mga ano sila, oh. Magagandang mga bahay.
In 600 meters, turn right
Oh,
onto
wow,
Route
it's a
138 West,
beautiful
Quebec 138 West.
view.
Signs for Quebec.
Napaka ano naman. Tingnan mo ang bahay nila dito. Kakaiba. Pero beautiful. As in. Kakaibang bahay. Wow! We're going down the hill. Going down the hill. Wow. Nice. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe na ito yung panag-snow. Super duper. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Oh. Grabe, down the hill.
Turn right onto Route 138 West, Quebec 138 West. Signs for Quebec.
Wow, that is Quebec.
In 3 kilometers,
Wow,
use
look
the
at the
right
bridge.
lanes to take the Auto Route 40 West
The
exit toward
bridge.
Montreal, Saguenay.
Grabe as the kalsada. The kalsada of Quebec. Oy, beautiful naman tong ano na to, kakaiba ding building.